सो गाईज आयची रेसिपी जावन आहा रोस्ट चिकन बाय शेली. ओके, आणि ही रेसिपी येयली आमकां कुवेटसून. ओके, सो शेली, थँक्यू तुका, तुवें तुगेली रेसिपी आमकां धाडली आणि आता आमी हे आमगेल्या ब्लॉगाचेर तुगेली रेसिपी घालतली. ओके, आणि समजता गायज सगल्यांक तुमकां लायक जातली आणि तुमी एंड पर्यंत मुगेलो ब्लॉग चोयतली म्हणून. थँक्यू. गुड आफ्टरनून गायज, वेलकम टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग. कशी आहाय तुमी सगळीं? समजता सगळीं बरी आहाय म्हणून. तेच भाशेन हांव, अलिशा, टायगर, आमी आहाय बरी गायज. आणि गायज तुमकां सांगलेलें काल मामी ती स्विंडन गेलो हांय, डाडा अपॉइंटमेंट आहा म्हणून. ती इवनिंग येवपा आहली बट येवंकू नाय गायज. ती घडी आयज येतली. गायज ती आहल्यान न्हू आमकांय बरें दिसता, मातशें आमगे टायम पास जाता आणि घर बरें भरलो अशें दिसना. नाजाल्यार हांव आनी अलिशा दोगांय आसताय, सो तांचे बरें मातशें टायम स्पेंड जाता बरो. आणि भोव कोन्न डाडा बरी मातशें दोगांयली चॅटींग म्हणल्यार टायम कितको गेला आनी कितें म्हणून कांय कळना. आणि गायज तुमकां हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा, कित्याक न्हू काल तुमी हांवें तुमकां सांगलेलें की व्लॉगांची जे कोणाय रेसिपी आहा तांकां मातशें कमेंट मारे, तांकांय बरें दिसतलें म्हणून. येस गायज, हांवें जायते कमेंट येयले, जायते कमेंट मारले तुमी. आनीक बरें दिसलें गायज म्हाका तुमी तांकां कमेंट मारले म्हणून. ओके, सबस्क्रायबरां जे कोणें रेसिपी धाडली तांकां, आनी तांकांय बरें दिसतलें आपल्यागे रेसिपीचे बरें बरें कमेंट येताय ते चोयन तांकांय उमेद येतली. ओके, सो ती मातशें कितें म्हणल्यार तेंगे करेज अशी मेळटली तांकां आनी उमेदीन बसतलीं सारकीं. ओके, आनी तेच भाशेन गायज आयज हांव म्हगेली चवथी सबस्क्रायबर रेसिपी घालतलो आयच्या ब्लॉगाचेर, ह्या ब्लॉगाचेर. आनी समजता गायज तुमी आख्खो म्हगेलो ब्लॉग एंड पर्यंत चोयतली म्हणून. ओके, तेच भाशेन रेसिपी तुमी आख्खी फूल चोयतली आनीक ताका सपोर्टूय करतली. तुमकां जरी तर लायक जालें जाल्यार तुमी लायक करे, कमेंटूय करे आनी प्लस शेअर करे, फॉरवर्ड करे तुमगे फ्रेंड्सा फॅमिली सदांचे भाशेन सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन. आनी हांव जाणा गायज जायजां कोत्ताय म्हणून, आनी अशें करून गायज करीत रावाय. ओके, आनी आयची रेसिपी जावन आहा घेवन येयलो आहा शेली, शी इज फ्रॉम कुवेट. ओके, आनी तेगे रेसिपी रोस्ट चिकन. ओके, सो कुवेटसून तेणें आपल्यागेली रेसिपी धाडलो आहा. सो या गायज कितको आनी कात ती आमकां आतां आमकां कोट्टली. हेजी गायले म्हणटरी तुमी बरे भाशेन चोयाय आनी ताका बरें कमेंटूय घाल्याय तुमकां लायक जालें जाल्यार. ओके, आनी ताकाय मातशें एप्रिशिएट करया, कित्याक न्हू एक रेसिपी पोस्ट कोन्न आय मीन रेसिपी काण धाडपाक इतली इजी न्हू गायज. म्हणजे मातशें लॉसताय न्हू, थोड्या लॉस दिसता तरी आसता तेणें आपल्याक गेलो टायम घेवन थोडोसो लॉस नासतना तोंड लेकून दाखयलें ना जाल्यार लेकून दाखोवपा न्हू मातशें आडकोडटाय न्हू. सो तरी आसता तेणें आपल्याक गेली रेसिपी धाडल्या, समजता तुमकां लायक जातली म्हणून. आनी सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन प्लीज 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 शेअर करे. ओके, सो गायज आतां न्हू हांव रेसिपी घालता हिंगा. समजता तुमी बरे भाशेन चोयतली आनी तुमकां लायकूय जातली म्हणून. ओके, सो मेळया तुमकां आफ्टर द रेसिपी.
Hi everyone, welcome to this vlog. Today is all about simple home cooking. I'm going to show you the easiest and most delicious spicy chicken roast recipe that absolutely anyone can make. No complicated ingredients, no fancy steps, just pure flavor and comfort. So let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 kg of chicken broiler, deskinned and with deep gashes given as seen. To go with that, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 12 big cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of soya sauce, a tablespoon of vegetable oil, any vegetable oil will do, and a teaspoon of honey. We begin by taking a large bowl big enough to be able to flip the chicken over and marinate it with all the spices. So let's start adding salt, black pepper, in goes the red chili powder, the lemon juice, the soya sauce, mustard sauce, ginger garlic paste, red chili flakes, the honey, the chopped garlic. We take only half of the chopped garlic at this point for marination, and we reserve the other half to saute along with olive oil just before we roast the chicken later. So here we go again with half the quantity of olive oil. That's 2 tablespoons. Now let's give it a good mix. Rub in all the spices so that the chicken soaks in all the spices beautifully. Guys, a good massage to the chicken here is definitely going to give you a good tasty dish. So gently rub in all the spices, toss over the chicken. We leave this for marination for at least 2 hours. If you guys can do it overnight, great. But otherwise, at least for 2 hours, leave it for marination before you roast the chicken. Guys, in chicken marinate korun dollar zali soora ata poya foodlo process. Heat a pan and add the vegetable oil to it. In goes the olive oil as well. That's the balance of the olive oil. So that's roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The oil, and then add the balance of the chopped garlic that we have kept aside. So we saute the garlic now until light brown. So once the garlic is light brown in color, we add the marinated chicken, keeping the flame on high. Guys, do not lower the flame. Let the flame remain on high so that it seals the outer side of the chicken and locks all the juices in. It's very important to keep the flame on high at this stage. So let this remain on high for about 2 minutes. So the chicken has been on the flame, high flame, for about a minute. You can make the flame or reduce the flame to medium high. Okay, and let it rest there for another minute or so. So leaving the flame on medium high, we cover the pan, not fully, leaving it partially open like this. The chicken has been cooking for 5 minutes now, so you can reduce the flame to medium-low and let it cook for another 15 minutes, roughly. Ensure that the lid is partially open. Flame on medium-low. Give the chicken a turn. Increase the flame to medium high for a minute, and after a minute you can reduce it to medium low. So after a minute you may close the lid of the pan, keep it partially open like this, and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium-low. The chicken has been cooking for the last 15 minutes, so it's time to give it a turn one more time. Check out the color, guys. Isn't that awesome? So we leave it on medium-low flame and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Let's have a look at our chicken, guys. I turn off the flame. Ooh la la. Have a look at that color. So that's all ready to eat now. Let's plate it. Ta-da! Now look at this. The juicy, spicy, perfectly roasted chicken. Just the way we like it. I hope you enjoyed watching this super easy, spicy chicken roast recipe. It's perfect for family lunches, Sunday dinners, or even small gatherings. And yes, it's so beginner friendly too. Do give it a try, folks, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Cook with love and no tension. Dev bore kuru.
Guys, the comment of the day and comment read korpa is tiger kothyatse. So ita tumka. Okay, so the comment of the day is from Jessie. Jessie says, thank you Mercy and Ali for the lovely opportunity. This is one of the best idea to bring out the talent of other people. Thanking you guys is not enough. I will remember you both forever as you both encouraged me. In the modern world, no one thinks of anyone, but you both gave biggest opportunity to all people. It is a great thinking, and I must say, only clean and pure heart think of others. Lots of love to you both from me and my husband. Thank you so much, Jessie, for the lovely comment. It means a lot to us. So, as I said to you, lose naka to vlogs korpa like haman sangloti maka. So please carry on. Don't worry about others. Just do what you are best at doing. And guys, zaite comment aile amka guys. So thank you for like all the comments for Jessie's recipe. Jessie, read kele astale comments sagle. So this is enough for you to get motivated and do what you want to do. Okay. So guys, once again, thank you for all the comments. We love you all.
सो गायज कित म्हणटाय तुमी कशी लागल्या तुमकां रेसिपी जी कुईट सो येयल्या शेली गेली बरी केल्या न्हू बरी दिसता चोवपाक आनी बरे भाशेन दाखयल्या बाबा समजता तुमकां लायक जातली मू म्हाका जाल्यार लायक जाल्या तुमकां लायक जालें जाल्यार सांगाय गायज कमेंटान कमेंट करे आनी सांगाय कितको जाल्या आनी कितें तें आनी शेली तुका हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा तुवें बरी रेसिपी धाडली बरें दिसलें ओके थँक्यू तुका आनीक तेच भाशेन गायज तुमी आतां तुमगे काम कितें गायज तुमी जाणाय तुमकां लायक जालें जाल्यार तुमी ती शेअर करची तुगेल्या फ्रेंड्सांक फॅमिलीक ओके आनी तुमकां जात जाल्यार तुमी फेसबुकार घाले इंस्टाचेर घाले कित्याचेर घाले आनी शेअर करे कित्याक न्हू जितले ताका व्यू पडटले ही शी कॅन बी द विनर ओके कोणागे चड व्यू जातले तो विनर जातलो आनी गायज आनी कांय ना आनी चड व्हडलोय ब्लॉग करूं नाका म्हाका दिसतूच धाकटेशें कित्याक न्हू ह्यो सगल्यो रेसिपी घालता न्हू हांव आनीक समजता तुमकां लायकूय जातली मू आनी गायज थोड्या दिसान हांव म्हगेले नॉर्मल ब्लॉग करूं लागतलो कित्याक आनी 3 कितें रेसिपी उरले गायज त्यो तीय घालतलो पोस्ट करतलो ओके सो एक पार्ट्यो जाल्यो म्हगेले नॉर्मल ब्लॉग येतले डेली मातशी गेले डेली लायफान मातशी कितें करता कितें ना तें तुमकां मागीर कळटलें ओके सो येस गायज सद्या तुमी ह्यो रेसिपी चोय मोगान चोय बरे भाशेन चोय आनी तांकां सपोर्ट करे इतलें मागता गायज तुमकडे आनी समजता आयचो ब्लॉग म्हगेलो तुमकां लायक जालो आसतो न्हू लायक जालें जाल्यार प्लीज लायक करे शेअर करे आनी सबस्क्रायबूय करे ओके थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग गायज मोग आसूं मेळ्ळे तुमकां फाल्यां म्हगेल्या न्यू ब्लॉगान टील देन गायज बाय